Oh, that is too cool. Wow. You know how to use it?
Mm-hmm. Well,
It doesn't have many controls on it, does it?
You don't need many controls.
I mean, it's basically videotape on, videotape off.
Mm-hmm.
Charge battery.
Yeah.
Oh. How much memory does it have?
Like an hour.
Oh. Oh, Dale's just full of herself this morning. She's just jumping. She's jumping with energy.
She's old baby crack.
Yeah. Yeah, she looks like it.
I'm not your friend.
Stinky things, stinky things. Yeah.
Now you've hurt her self-esteem.
Oh, it'll be okay. She is usually safe anyway. Oh, they packed you some Cheerios. All right.
What? Do you speak that language, Allison?
No.
Riley does.
Let's see what
We'll get you something a little bit. We're gonna go out soon. Okay, we're gonna leave it half hour. Then we're gonna run errands.
Look, baby.
Thank you. Thank you.
Got to move like that. Look at the baby, stinky baby. You're stinky. Stinky. She don't know what that means. She thinks that's a good thing. Smelly love. Fucking Dale. I got to fix your hair again for you. Yeah, you want to climb up, don't you? But you can't yet.
My turn.